Hi friends, it has been a really long time since you've probably seen my face and talking to you on camera. I've been away for a little while, but I thought I'd make a bit of a comeback with some products that were sent to me by a company called Created Hair. So Created Hair is actually a company that was created by Amy Gibson. Amy Gibson is I guess a hair loss enthusiast. She also has hair loss, has a line of wigs, and has created accessories to wear with your hair pieces, whether they're wigs or toppers. So I thought I'd do a bit of an unboxing because these are a couple of new products, and one of them is very, very innovative, and I thought it would be a really cool thing to kind of do a verbal and spoken review. So yes, this is the parcel that was delivered to me by surprise, actually, and it's from the company Created Hair. And as I said, Created Hair is a company by Amy Gibson, who's the CEO. If you're around my age, you will know who Amy Gibson is. Actress, musician, now hair loss supporter, has their own company, and really tries to support people who have hair loss and on their hair loss journeys. So I was really excited when Amy Gibson's team reached out to me and asked if I wanted to review these. I wasn't sure I was going to receive it because they were sent to me from the US and directly from Created Hair Inc. So I'm really happy that they did arrive. And yeah, let's just jump to the unboxing. So the first product that was sent to me by Amy Gibson and Created Hair Inc. is actually the scalp cushion. So this is a really innovative product for anyone experiencing hair loss that may be wearing wigs or toppers. It's essentially a cushion that you wear on your head, either directly on your head, or you can sew it into a wig cap or a wig, and that will prevent itching, rubbing, and just like the increase of sensitivity you might have. So this is actually a really good time for me to try this because, as you can see, I have a lot of redness. I had an allergic reaction to something this weekend. So I'm extremely sensitive and very dry. So I thought this might be a nice unbox and really quick wear test of this before I can actually start wearing it and reviewing it. So this is the outer packaging. Mine came a little bit crushed because, you know, I'm in Australia and Australia Post doesn't really care for parcels. But this is the box that it arrived in. It has a nice little window here that you can see the product in. It has some details. That's Amy Gibson in the back. And it has some details around how you can wear it and the benefits of the product. So really nice packaging. And this is the scalp cushion. So it arrives on a piece of plastic so it doesn't lose its shape. It doesn't bend out of shape. So the really great technology behind these silicone bands and this scalp cushion is that it does actually conform to your head shape as you continue to wear it. So this is actually really lightweight. It probably weighs like less than a gram. It is very, very lightweight. The material itself is super soft, and as you can see, it has some kind of shine to it, so there's a little bit of a slip. There is a double layer of fabric, so it's not a single layer, and it is, I have to repeat myself, it's extremely soft. So this does actually have patent pending technology. So it isn't just a simple piece of material with silicone, but rather the way that it's been designed is especially to reduce irritation, friction on your scalp. So I'm very excited to try this on. All right, I'm gonna have a go putting this on. So I'm assuming that this little cloud and the logo goes in the back. And that's it. So for my type of hair loss, you can see that I have started to get some regrowth just around the edges of my hairline, but I have no regrowth up the top. So this sits really nicely up the top. And it just sits there. You can't really feel it. I can feel the silicone strips slightly, and as you can see, it kind of really sticks nicely to the top of the head and to the skin, but I can't really feel it. And if I'm to rub this, it does feel so soft, even on my scalp. So if I were to wear a wig and have some friction, I can't actually feel anything, which is nice. I don't know about you, but with my type of alopecia and my hair loss, my sensitive spots are at the top of my head, where there's a lot more friction from the wig, and around the sides. So Amy Gibson has actually shared that this is for people who aren't just bald. So you might have thinning hair, you might have thicker hair, but you have like sensitive scalp. You might get some irritation from the topper or the wigs that you're wearing. So anyone can really wear this, even on top of bio hair. So if you do have bio hair, you can actually wear the scalp cushion, which sounds really awesome. And yeah, apparently you can also wear this under toppers, or you can sew it into your topper as well to make it that little bit more comfortable. So yeah, you can't tell it's there. It doesn't add any bulk whatsoever. It's extremely lightweight. The silicone grips on my head. I am bald with some regrowth. It is sticking. So it doesn't move, and that's kind of a first wear test for you. It's not moving at all. So I don't know about you guys, but I don't want any of my wig caps that I wear under my wigs to move. So this is a really nice addition. I thought I'd also demonstrate how you could apply the scalp cushion to the inside of a wig. So I have here my Highline wig, and you can see it has the mono top, and then it goes on to the inside to the wefts. So that would sit somewhere here, just towards the end of the mono top, so towards the crown of your head, and just a little bit further back. So I guess the logo will sit just where the wefts are. So it's as easy as just putting it in the wig cap, finding the right spot. Again, it's a little bit further from the lace front, right where the mono top ends, and where you might have a bit more friction, and you could potentially sew that in there so it's always in your wig, and you don't have to take it on or off. So it's a really great solution, and for the few minutes that I've actually been touching it, it's very cooling as well. So I'm pretty sure that that also adds to the reduction of irritation on your scalp, because it is very cooling. And the silicone strips haven't bothered me whatsoever. Even like I was wearing it for 15 minutes and you can't see any markings on my head. So this is a really great solution for those of you who do suffer from irritation, whether it's from your wigs or you have extremely sensitive scalp. So, or like I do, and I'm suffering a allergy right now. So this is pretty great. I'm going to wear this back on. I'm not sure exactly how to, it's as simple as that. I'm not sure exactly how to wear a wig once I've got it in the wig cup without sewing it on. So I will have a go at doing a live demo of how I would wear my wig with a scalp cushion. So the scalp cushion starts about there, and I just want to show you what it looks like in the scalp. It's a very natural color, so it is, in my opinion, invisible. I can't feel it, but I can feel that there's something under my wig, and that's because I don't have, like, I can't feel my scalp direct under the wig, if that makes sense, but not uncomfortable at all. It's actually very comfortable. It feels like nothing. There's no bulk. So I think that's one of the great benefits, is it's so flat and it's so lightweight, and it's very natural feeling that, yeah, you can't feel it under your wig, or you can't even detect it under your wig. So I can see a slight color variation, but if I was to be so pedantic, which I'm not, I would put a little bit of powder just on the hairline, so you know, it's undetectable, or a scar tape or something like that, but I can't really see it, so it doesn't bother me. But yeah, feels great. Again, it's quite cooling. If you wear a bamboo wig cap already, then you understand the benefits of having like a nice piece of cooling material between your scalp and your wig. But this is really great for anyone else who wears wigs or who wears toppers, because it's something that you might not have been able to wear till now and to try out under your topper. Or if you already have hair and you do have scalp irritation, this is so small and so lightweight, you will not feel it. So I think this is actually a really great product, and I'm so happy to try it, and it is actually very, very comfortable. I have a great first opinion of this, as you can tell, and it is my true and honest thoughts. And it is so easy to put on. That's it. Even if you do have hair or, you know, you're thinning, it's going to be so easy to wear. So a little bit about care of the scalp cushion. This can be hand washed in kind of lukewarm water, cool water, lukewarm water. I wouldn't wash this in hot water. And then air dry in the shade. Again, this is a really great innovative piece. And if you do suffer from scalp irritation, or if you have allergies, you know, if you want to reduce the friction between your scalp and the hairpiece that you're wearing, then I would definitely recommend giving this a go. This is from Hair Inc, again, by Amy Gibson. Thanks again to the team over at Hair Inc and to Amy for sending this across to me. And I'm so glad it made its way to Australia. So definitely check online to see where you can purchase the scalp cushion if you're interested in it. My initial review of this is it's an A+, and I'm really looking forward to wearing it in the Australian summer, because that's when I get really irritated. That's when my scalp gets really irritated. So this is a really great, I guess, accessory or equipment for your hair loss if you do have that irritation. And again, it's undetectable, so no one will know it's there. So thanks again, everyone. I hope you enjoyed my comeback and my first review. I'll actually review the second product in a second video because this is just taking really, really long. So thanks for watching again. Bye.